Hey, I have something that I think will prove to be the best $4 that you've ever spent in your life. And I think you'll realize that it's the best $4 that you've ever spent in your life within 10 minutes of going through this. And if you go through it for 15 minutes, I'll go one better and I'll even prove it to you. And after all of that, if it's not the best $4 that you've ever spent, just go ahead and contact me. I'll give you all your money back. What is it? It's my brand new report, the 8 magic money-making words, phrases, and tactics that will help you sell more auto repair jobs, services, and even preventative maintenance. How do you get it? Head over to carcounthackers.com/report or just click the link below in the description of this video. Why do I think it'll be the best $4 you ever spent? Because each of these 8 words, phrases, or tactics actually work. But imagine if you just use one of these 8 words or tactics and you book a job that was $600, $700, or $800. Would that be worth it to you? Okay, maybe you're a little nervous or rusty the first time you do this and you don't do it the way I explain it and detail it for you. And you only book jobs that are worth half of that. So that would be like repair jobs that are only $300 or $400. Would that still be worth it to you? Okay, hold on. Think about this. Let's just say that you're a little nervous and rusty the first time you use this, and you get tongue-tied and you really make a mess of it. And all you booked were jobs that were half of that half. So that means they'd be jobs that are worth $150 or $200. Would that still be worth it to you? But the real big question that you're still sitting on is, why should you do it? Because you've got absolutely nothing to lose. Just head over to carcounthackers.com/report or click the link in the description below this video. But you better hurry, because my accountant's due back in town in a week, and he's probably going to ask me to take it down. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the other side. Take care. Talk real soon. Oh, yeah, did I tell you? You've got nothing to lose. Go ahead. I'll see you on the other side.